mga date places that you can go to. At saka, ang dami pa ng iba't ibang klaseng mga food na yung mga Pinoy kasi talaga malasa yung gusto nating food, di ba? Yun yung taste natin. And I would say very adventurous din tayo kumain. So, through shooting the first few episodes, I have eaten things that I would have never thought to eat before. So, may most of them, I happily ate. May mga 1 or 2 lang na parang, wow, this is super out of this world na for me. May mga ganun din pala tayong sinaserve na food dito sa Manila. And then there are a lot of things na parang, when you think about it, yung ipupunta mo pa sana sa ibang bansa. There are other places in Asia that have night markets, and then ayun din yung mga certain kinds of food that they serve there na I didn't know meron naman pala dito. So yun yung gusto ko sanang i-promote, yung kagandahan ng tanawin sa Manila, the delicious places to eat, and then also the wonderful people that make the city great. I want people to be excited about being Filipino. I want them to be excited and proud about being from the Philippines and exploring their own country bago sila tumingin sa labas.